Hey, welcome everybody. It's Mark Schultz, the founder of DigitalAircraft, and I'm here today to tell you about a conference next week, which is the AircraftIT conference in Bangkok. It's on the 19th and 20th of October on Wednesday and Thursday, and I'm really looking forward to being there and meeting all of you that are going to be at the conference and having discussions with you about digital and about different projects and some of your needs and requirements. And in support of this initiative, I decided to have a guest on today who works in the region and is familiar with the different clients and customers in the region. And so I'm going to go ahead and bring him right in, and we're going to have a conversation today about that region of the world. In a region, maybe the Oceania region, where you have higher costs of labor, I'm sure that the focus is that how do we create more efficiencies, and how do we reduce cost, or how do we shorten turnaround time, and how do we give the best experience and maybe implement, like you said, AI, ML kind of techniques in order to be able to optimize what it is that we're doing. That's really very interesting. And then you said in the northern areas, like in the Asia regions, there may be some challenges with language, or there may be some challenges with maybe completely understanding work instructions, or maybe putting the right skills on a job. Now, what are you doing in order to be able to address, some of those challenges in that region?
Yep, sure. So again, the automation works there as well, where we are trying to have a minimum clicks and minimum entry points for a end user to do most of the things with an automated system brings in by default, so that they can just perform their work and make it happen. Now we have brought in a lot of disciplines and controls. For example, if I can quote, say an MRO, there is a situation where a work arising has come or additional work has come. Now the job needs to be put on hold. So the system is capable enough to automatically put that job on hold. It will ask for an estimate to be created and to be quoted to the customer, get the customer approval. So all these processes are automated. Also, for example, when work arising comes and there's a discrepancy or a non-routine which has come up, the system can help to bring in or advise what are the parts which are required, what are the skill set that are required, do you have the capability to perform those tasks, etc., and thus help and support those organizations to perform those activities more efficiently and without having to go into paper-based or refer to any other publications. So all those are brought in hand online.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate you having conversations with me today. And for those of you watching out there, I wanted to remind you that the AircraftIT conference will be in Bangkok next week on Wednesday and Thursday, October 19th and 20th. And there's going to be quite a lot of different vendors there. And it's an opportunity for you to be able to go and to learn very quickly about solutions and what people are doing, and hear stage presentations. And it's going to be very interesting to be able to go there and to reconnect with people and to learn about what they're doing in digital, and in a very short period of time, find out what vendors like Ramco are doing to be able to help these operators to create success.